You've probably seen those stunning AI images online and thought, man, how do people even make stuff like that? Well, it's actually a lot easier than you think. You don't need to be an artist, you just need the right AI tool. And today, I'll show you how to create cinematic, magical images step by step using Leonardo AI. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, where your creativity meets the power of AI. If you enjoy discovering cool AI tools that make your ideas come alive, don't forget to hit subscribe. I've got tons of practical tutorials coming your way. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, first step, just type Leonardo.ai into the Google search bar or directly in your browser's address bar. Then hit enter and you'll be taken straight to the Leonardo AI homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is super simple. Just click on the big Get Started button right in the middle. That will take you to this page where you'll see two options. If you're brand new, you can click Create Free Account to sign up. But if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and hit Sign In. For this video, I'm going to choose Sign In. And as you can see, there's an option to log in with your Google account, which is by far the quickest way. So, I'll pick my Google account, grant access, and in just a few seconds, boom, I'm signed in and ready to start using Leonardo AI. And here we are. This is the main dashboard of Leonardo AI. On the left-hand side, you'll find all the tools: image, video, flow state, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and even an upscaler. These are the core features we'll be using to create and refine our AI content. In the center, Leonardo highlights some featured guides, which are super useful if you're just getting started. Right below that, you'll see the Community Creations feed, a live showcase of AI-generated artworks from other Leonardo users. This feed is always being updated, and you can filter it by categories or styles to match your interests. As you scroll down, you can explore more artworks, and if something catches your eye, just click on it to see all the details of how it was made. What's even cooler is that you can copy the prompt and style settings, then build on it or create your own version. I definitely recommend spending some time here. It's one of the best ways to practice prompting and really get a feel for how Leonardo works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo's AI text-to-image tool. Whenever you want to create an image from your account's homepage, take a look at the sidebar on the left, select AI Tools, and then click on Image. Alternatively, you can simply click the image shortcut right on the homepage. Either way, it will take you to the AI image creation interface. Alright, now we're inside the AI creation page, and this is where the fun really begins. Up here at the top, you'll see the prompt box. This is where we tell Leonardo exactly what kind of image we want. For example, I'm going to type in something like a magical fantasy forest at night, glowing mushrooms everywhere, little fireflies flying around, and a small wooden cabin with warm lights inside. Ultra-detailed, cinematic, 4K concept art. Over on the left side, I'll leave the model as Lucid Origin, since that's the best one for detailed artwork. For the style, I'll pick Dynamic so the image feels more alive. Then, right under that, I'll choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Perfect for a cinematic look. And instead of just one image, I'll set it to 4 images at once, so I can compare and pick the best one. Once everything looks good, all I need to do is click on the Generate button, and Leonardo will start creating my images in just a few seconds. And just like that, Leonardo starts working its magic. You'll see a little loading animation while it generates the images, and usually it only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, Boom. Here are the 4 images based on the prompt I entered. What I love about this is that each image has its own unique vibe, even though they're all created from the same prompt. You can click on any one of them to open it up in full size, download it, or even upscale it for higher quality. All right, that's it for today. Kinda crazy how easy that was, right? If you had fun or learned something new, just drop a thumbs up and maybe hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I've got some really cool AI tools coming up, and trust me, you'll want to see what's next. See you soon, and hey, go create something awesome.